Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this tutorial. This is the set I'm going to be doing. Her tag is listed there so you can give her the original support. I just changed it up a little bit by adding chrome. So if you want to see how I create this gorgeous blooming hibiscus flower nail for the summer nail series, then just keep on watching. So first and foremost, I'm starting off with a rubber base. This one is Vanilla Lace by Kiara Sky. It's a rubber top, so it will dry, no wipe. Then I'm going to be taking a blooming gel and leaving it wet. You don't want to cure it. And then you're going in with your color of choice. I'm going in with Gothic Plum by Sean Legend. And I'm going to be placing it in this formation here. So kind of map out a star. If you didn't see my original hibiscus tutorial, you can check that out in terms of like placement. But it's the same kind of thing. You want to place them like this. Corners, I did do like half hibiscus. It should look like this when you're done. Pause it here if you need to follow the mapping of where I placed them. When that's cured, then take a chrome resistant matte top coat and apply that on top and fully cure it. Or you can do a top coat, buff it out, and then go in with your paint of choice. Once that's fully cured, I'm going in with my Pitch Black Gel Pod by Kiara Sky as well. And now I'm drawing my hibiscus like so. It's a dot, and then you're adding 2 other dots on the side of those lines. I have an in-depth hibiscus tutorial that I will link above. And you want to pull in the sides of those 3 dots, and then you want to also pull it in from the middle as well in like wispy brush strokes. You'll see me doing it here, ultimately coming to a point toward the center. You want to repeat this with all 5 petals. Finally, you want to take it out from the middle point and you want to drag it outward so they like flick like this. I find this looks super sophisticated and pretty. Then I'm taking a dot in the middle and then dragging it out so it looks like our little internal stem. And then I'm adding 3 dots on either side of that long line and then 1 at the very, very tip. Whenever you're finished and you're happy with the way that it looks, cure it for 30 seconds and then you want to go in with your chrome. I'm going in with my 24 karat gold chrome and a sponge, and I'm rubbing this on everywhere, making sure it's fully saturated. And if you did your base properly, there won't be any chrome that sticks anywhere else except the black gel polish that we put. Whenever you're finished, take the clean side of your sponge and wipe off all that excess chrome, making sure that there's no flakes left. Make sure you wipe the sides. Whenever you're happy with it, you can go in with your super glossy top coat. I'm using the UV top coat by Kiara Sky. All my products will be listed down below. And then cure and you're done. You have this beautiful blooming hibiscus flower, which is great for the summer nail series. I find it's so gorgeous and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Comment down below what you'd like to see next, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.